In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion. I'm using Workbench with random colors, and the image size is 512 by 512 pixels. Let's create a simple ground plane. I'll use a sphere and a cylinder to create a crystal ball mesh. On the cylinder, I'll go to Edit Mode, and press Ctrl+R, with mouse wheel up to add 2 loop cuts. Let's separate the loop cuts apart by using a scale handle. I'll extrude the top and the bottom faces by extruding them inward. Let's render the scene, save it, and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. I'll change the inner object to nebula and space. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.